Hey guys, this is Amar from Air Tec Wireless. Today we're going to be repairing an iPad glass. Why don't you check us out online at airtecwirelessinc.com or come visit us in Chicago, Illinois at 410 South Clark Street, downtown Chicago. To repair the screen, you're going to need safety glasses for when the glass comes up because it could shatter. You're going to need tweezers. You're going to need a Phillips screwdriver, a credit card, and a pry bar. And also a heat gun. Today we're going to be repairing the glass and the Wi-Fi cable. The Wi-Fi cable is broken this iPad, and this is for iPad 2. What you're going to want to do with the heat gun is just go around it. Do not stop at one area because you can damage stuff internally with the heat. Just go back and forth easily. A minute to 45 seconds is okay to do it. Next, take the pry bar and start at the corner at the very top. You can also use a razor, I forgot to include that. Put on your safety glasses. This is Amar from Air Tec Wireless, our specialist. Basically, what you guys want to do is you're going to lift it up with the pry bar and get a credit card underneath to slide the glass off of the iPad internally. And then when you're going to be careful when lifting up on the right edge corner because there's some cables there, the Wi-Fi cable, which is already broke that we're repairing, but there's also another cable that you want to be careful that you don't break. And just like that, the glass lifts off, and you're inside the iPad. Next, you guys are going to want to take the home button off so you can use that, because usually the glass does not come with another one.
Whoever fixed it before they damaged the Wi-Fi cable.
The Wi-Fi cable's down here. Whenever we fix everything, that's what we have to fix.
Whoever fixed it before he damaged the Wi-Fi
And
cable.
whoever fixed it before us damaged it, so we're going to have to clean up their mistake. Next, you're going to want to take the 4 screws out of the corners with your Phillips screwdriver. And then your LCD will lift up. And then you take the cable out just like that, and the LCD comes off.
Now we gotta repair the Wi-Fi cable.
Now we have to repair the Wi-Fi cable.
screws there.
There's 2 screws here in the corner that you need to take off with your Phillips screwdriver. Take that piece, do not lose it. Okay, next you're going to take the Phillips screwdriver again, unscrew that screw right there. Also, you're going to unscrew this screw right here that's holding the Wi-Fi cable down. There's 3 of them. Your pry bar to pry that up there. Then you take that Wi-Fi cable off, that's the broken piece. Next you grab your new one. Alright, stay tuned to the next one. Look for episode 2 of how to repair this.